this place.
Food Max.
Yay.
Pumpkin.
I like this place. See, they have those. I like this place. This place.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I'm not even doing it anymore.
I'm strong.
I'm Shang Tsung. I'm Shang Tsung. Ah! I did. Okay. Am I dreaming?
No.
Wrong cake. Yeah. That's so beautiful right there.
It's my birthday.
No, it isn't. Look, it's My Little Pony.
Cool.
Oh, I love My Little Pony now.
Yeah. It's like a new favorite show.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's Twilight.
Mom, we're gonna
That's
get
awesome.
that cake for our mom.
That's awesome. I never tried these before. This looks cool. Look at this one. This one's pretty. Littlest Pet Shop, the beautiful cake. I'm an analyst. That's awesome.
Yeah.
What are they gonna do with the new ones?
I don't know.
It's gonna look ugly. I wouldn't want to eat that cake.
Yeah. It'd probably have poop inside.
I'm victorious.
I have a notebook.
Yeah. Okay.
Red.
Yeah. Look at the bird. Mouth open. I'm a. Wait, I want to be in the pink bird's mouth. I like the pink bird. Blah blah blah. All right.
I don't think birds eat dogs.
No, let's try. Let's both be in the pink birds. I'm just like on the side hanging on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wasn't 8? There's 8.
9.
No, it's not squished. Oh, I guess you're right. I guess we could. So that's 9. No, that's it. Come on. So there's 9 9, 10, 10. No, that's supposed to be there. So there's 9 squished bottles here. That's actually pretty cool. How do you squish them? I've seen Gatorade squished before, but not here. I saw them at like a Target or something. Ooh, my eye's shiny.
That's called Target or something. Have you ever heard of the store called Target and stuff? Or something, it's a new store opening.
Oh, that's cool. Let's go. I love sugar cubes. They're easy to eat. All right, let's go. Bye.
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 Stop it. Let me be in the screen.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.